To set up sales tax in QuickBooks, start by navigating to the Sales Tax menu. From the main menu, select Sales Tax and then Sales Tax Settings. In this section, you will be able to configure your sales tax preferences, including the tax agency, tax item, and tax rate. First, you need to set up your sales tax agency. This is typically your state or local government agency responsible for collecting sales tax. To do this, click on the Add a New Tax Agency button and enter the required information, such as the agency name and address. Next, you need to set up your sales tax item. This represents the sales tax rate you charge to your customers. To create a new tax item, click on the Add a New Tax Item button and enter the tax rate and description. After setting up your sales tax agency and item, you need to assign the tax item to the correct tax agency. To do this, select the tax item and then choose the corresponding tax agency from the drop-down list. Once you have set up your sales tax agency and item, you can assign the sales tax item to the products or services you sell. To do this, go to the Items menu and select the item you want to assign the sales tax to. Then, click on the Sales Tax tab and select the sales tax item you created earlier. It is also important to set up your sales tax payment schedule. This will determine how often you remit sales tax payments to the tax agency. To set up your payment schedule, go to the Sales Tax menu and select Sales Tax Settings. Then, select the payment schedule you prefer, such as monthly or quarterly. Finally, it is essential to regularly review and reconcile your sales tax liability to ensure accuracy and compliance. To do this, go to the Sales Tax menu and select Sales Tax Liability. This report will show you the total sales tax you have collected and the amount you need to remit to the tax agency. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure accurate and compliant sales tax setup and management in QuickBooks.